So basically, our organization is Human Welfare Charitable Trust, and we run this organization. So we run this organization. So we have got two centers. One is in Malad and one is in Naigaon, and this is the Naigaon. So this place was earlier an orphanage where the orphan children were staying here. But in COVID, due to some difficulties of handling these children, we thought that यहाँ पे सब लोगों की डिमांड आई कि प्लीज ओपन अप स्कूल फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. सो इट मेक्स अ रियल इम्पैक्ट. यहाँ पे बच्चों को पढ़ाई करने के लिए स्कूलिंग की प्रॉपर फैसिलिटीज नहीं है यहाँ पे. और ये एरिया के बच्चे दे डोंट गो आउटसाइड टू द मेन रोड है, वहाँ पे जाके उनको इतना दूर प्रॉक्सिमिटी डिस्टेंस पे पॉसिबल. सो देन इवेंचुअली वी थॉट कि लेट अस कन्वर्ट दिस प्लेस इनटू अ स्कूल व्हिच विल मेक मच लार्जर डिफरेंस. So this is how we started our organization. Initially, we started in Malad, but Malad में कैसा था? Over the period of few years, we noticed that it makes a difference when you really impact an underprivileged child. So that is the most important of this area. क्योंकि Malad में जैसे हम ये Malad में बहुत convenience है, अच्छी तरह road है, सब है, आप आ सकते हैं वहाँ पे photo. But our end goal is not to just have a picture or something, but it should make sure that the things and it is going to the right person. So which is what we feel, and this is what we try to make a social impact. So we had this center, so we thought that why not to open up a school. So eventually we run 4 programs here. One is education, nutrition, where we provide food to the children, nutrition food. And then it is women empowerment programs that यहाँ के जैसे localities की जो women है, they don't go out to work anymore. So for them we have opened up a women empowerment program. जैसे the women can make something, become independent. और यहाँ पे कैसा सब rural और tribal women ज़्यादा है. So they don't go out into the office to work or something. So we have created some programs wherein they can work from home. जैसे ज्वेलरी मेकिंग है, बैग्स मेकिंग है, इस टाइप के प्रोग्राम्स भी रन. So